my first night.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I want make natural makeup tutorial that we can do for daily activities. So wait until finish. The first step, we have to wash our face. First, well, I have my face and use serum, toner, and sunscreen. Next step, I use BB cream Wardah. Next, apply using Mohon. Okay, like that. Next step, using powder fixing. Apply using powder foam. Next, I using blush on Wardah and apply using brush. I use soft color. Apply. Next step, keeping eyebrow. But because my eyebrows are ready, take and set, so just keep it. Next step, using eyeshadow. I using soft color. Apply. Next step, using eyeliner. I using eyeliner image. Next, using mascara. But before using mascara, you should first fix the lashes for good result. Okay. The last step, using lip cream. I use two color blends, pink and red. Bye-bye. Okay, like this. Finish. So, thank you for watching. See you next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.